Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today I have a very small haul. I placed an order with Devinah Cosmetics. I am super excited. I'm going to open these and put them in the palette that I got along with my order, and I'm going to swatch them for you so that you may ooh and ah, because oh my goodness, I cannot wait to stick my fingers in these. I don't remember what's happening here. I don't remember how I even came across this brand. I think it was Andy. I think Andy was talking about something, and somebody commented on her video about this brand, and so I went and checked them out, and I'm so glad I did, because when I went to their website, they had this beautiful Z palette. It is so stunning, and it is the Hecate palette, which is a 2022 exclusive. It is an empty Z palette, and I am so excited that it does not have a mirror in it. Hecate is one of the goddesses. She is triple moon goddess. She is a favorite of mine. I love Hecate, and the artwork on this is absolutely stunning. I paid $18 for that palette, and I believe that it was on sale. Is it still on sale? When I ordered this palette, I paid $18 for it. It is currently on sale for $14. It is absolutely beautiful. And does it say how many shades it holds? They designed this palette and had it brought to life by an artist, the website says. It holds 36 26 millimeter pans. So it is just absolutely beautiful. I love it. And so, of course, while I was there, because I had to have that, I ordered an eyeshadow bundle because, well, for lots of reasons, but I got the Moonscape Collection, and this is a set of pressed pigments. There are 6 shades, and I got them for $48, and they are still showing on their website for $48. If you know me, you know I love anything to do with the moon, so Moonscapes just was right up my alley. And it is 6 pressed pigments. So we're going to open these, put them in the palette, and I am going to swatch them for you. Devinah Cosmetics is a cruelty-free brand. Their shades are handmade. So the first one here is Earth Shine, and they have the sticker on the back, and I love that. This is Earth Shine. Oh, I cannot wait to swatch these. Look at how pretty that is. Gorgeous. Oh, it's so glittery. The next one is Lucent Ray. That's what that one looks like. Wow. That is so pretty, and that purple really shows up. I did not notice the green as much until I put that purple next to it, and that really made that green show up. That is so pretty. And next we have Air Glow. You know, I used to not be a shiny girl. I don't know when I turned into being a shiny girl. That is just gorgeous. It's kind of bronzy with the gold glitter in it. The next one is called Moonbeam. That is so pretty. Moonbeam. And then we have Fire Hunt. There is glitter floating around everywhere. This is Fire Hunt. Ooh. Those are so pretty. And then the last one is called Pink Flare. And they come in with the little sleeves. This is Pink Flare. That's really pretty. Look at all of that sparkle and shine. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. So pretty. When I was shopping on their website, I did come across a coupon code that saved me $9.60. However, there was no free shipping. The shipping cost me $15.45, which I almost didn't pay because I thought that was kind of high, even though, you know, shipping and things now are just totally different and prices are crazy. But I had to have this palette. So I went on with the shipping, but normally you can find coupon codes for some of these sites, so if you're wanting to buy, make sure that you're using those programs that will help you with a coupon code. So those are the 6 shades that came in the Moonscape, right? Moonscape collection. Super excited. That's so pretty. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I just wanted to share that with you in this beautiful Hecate Z palette. Thanks for hanging out with me. Before you go, show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you keep makeup remover wipes in your tackle box so that you can get all the glitter off of you? Or does the glitter just run down your face when you're sweating? These are things we need to know, okay? Mama loves you, boo.